Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing. It's been a while. This was a request that someone made on a comment on a different video, and they asked if I had the Moebius Models reimagined Cylon Raider, and I do. I have it in the 172nd and in the 132nd. I haven't built the 132nd, and I noticed I didn't do a review on it in an unboxing, so let's take a look. Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing. This was a request from somebody. They asked if I had one of these, and I did, and I looked at it, and I never did an unboxing on this. This is the reimagined Cylon Raider. Very cool model. You can find them out there. They're going pretty high in prices. I got this one at a pretty decent price, you know, just waiting and looking for the right deal. You know, sometimes you'll see a good price, but then the shipping, they try to get you on the shipping, so you gotta kind of balance that out. But yeah, this is a really cool kit from Moebius. It's the 1/32nd scale. I do have the little guy, the 1/72nd. I got this for more of like a paint test. I think I'm gonna go with a little lighter silver, or maybe even just mist a lighter silver over top of that. I think I used a galvanized tin, I believe, on that one. But let's open her up. As far as the box, it's just the basic, Moebius box. You got a Cylon on here, Centurion there, and then there's the Raider there. Pretty much a double on the back. A little bit of history of what the ship is. Other products from Moebius on this Battlestar Galactica. I would like to get the Galactica. I have the Mark II and the Mark VII. I would like to get a Centurion too, but they're a little up and pricey too. But let's take a look. If it's anything like the Mark II and the Mark VII, it's just a bigger version of this, and that went together really well. So if it's anything like those other ones, it should be exactly like this, with maybe a few more detailed parts that you add on to it, and just a bigger base. It's the same base as this little one, which is fine for the little one. I know I heard they get a little whoopy on the bigger ones. This I'm gonna light up, so we'll have to see if this isn't flubby for this particular ship. And wow, that's nice. That's a nice size. I really like the little one, but that's gonna be really nice looking on the shelf. So yeah, I think I might go with this galvanized tin and then do a light mist coat of like a silver. Maybe the silver I used on the flying saucer. It's what is it here? It's Duplicate Colors Lunar Mist. So it'll give you a little sci-fi kind of color name. But most of the clear parts in here to stand, and those I'm not sure. You'll have, I know, one for the red eye part of the head, and these might go somewhere on the wings, because these are definitely an add-on to this bigger kit. Let's see what we got here. We got the upper part. There's already parts floating around. We got the upper hull, and what great detail. The upper part of the fuselage looks pretty good. There's that part. I'm not sure where they go. They're probably part of the engines back here. That's what I would think, because I'm sure. Here's the instructions. I usually like to look at these. Again, Moebius doing the old cut off corners. Yeah, see, they're part of the engines. Yeah, it's pretty much goes exactly together like the smaller one. Even that, I believe, was the same. This is different. See, you actually build this part. I don't believe you built that part on this one. Yeah, see, that I believe is molded into it. Or here you actually get to glue that part on. which makes nicer because the grills are separate from that, so you can at least paint those real nice. The engines, I think we had to assemble a lot of that, yeah, on that. And then that fits together just like that. The guns we did, yeah, pretty much most of it's all the same. These we did have to put on the things on the sides, which I did a copper. Which I might stay with that theme. Even though the canon, it might not be canon, but I've seen somebody else do that and it looks really cool. Instead of doing it the darker grays that I add as detail panels. But really nice instructions from Moebius as usual. Haven't seen any typos or any weird numbering problems yet, but yeah, it looks like it's a real simple kit. Oh, those are for the engines. Really neat. I am going to light this. I mean, it's going to be a simple 2 flickering LEDs. Actually, I'm probably going to use some purple lights for the engines on this. And I think they're a blue, maybe on the reimagined. I haven't watched the reimagined yet. I'm kind of going through the old series right now because I'm building the Galactica original monogram kit right now. Almost done with that. And before Wonderfest, I think I'm going to try to do the Mark 1 and the original Cylon Raider. But I think I want to do these in a like a purple violet flickering, and then we'll do the red in the front for the eye. How's that eye go in there? Is there? Yeah, there's going to be room. I can fit a little red SMD LED in there to glow against that eye. Be neat if you can get one that did that. But yeah, this is really fairly simple. And then here's your paint kind of guide. Yeah, see, they say dark rust back there. Silver. Yeah, it's a very simple color scheme on this. You know, you really have like a silver, which, like I said, these, and when I clear coated, this darkened a lot more. But I did that, and then I did a different silver that has like a blue in it. It's a dark silver with a blue in it. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this kit because it looks like it's fairly straightforward since I built the smaller one. Here we go. Let's take a look. Some more parts. I don't know what those are. There's our side things. Nothing left in the bag? Nope. Okay. So, we got many things falling off sprues, so. There's our bottom halves that glue on there. Oh, I see, and it wraps it. Okay. Kind of does a thing like that. That I don't remember if that was like that on the other one. I remember all this, but I don't remember how it fit together. Yeah, it might have, and then you have those little, this piece here goes over. Which on this is one part. This, it looks like these were separate, and then that was molded. I'm not sure. Oh well. But that'll work pretty nice. So yeah, we got those two areas. Here's your things for the that go up here. Which, where are the, and there they are. A little bit of cleanup, some massive flashing on this sprue. You can even see it on the actual sprue. But not hard to clean up. Really bad on the tips here. Wow, look at that one. It's almost like a, that's unusual. But at least the hull parts are really nice and clean, so that's good. So you don't have to ruin your panel lines or anything. This part's not too bad. It's pretty nice. So that's good. It's just these simple ones which are easy. Easy cleanup. This one's not so bad. I mean, even though it only has like this under the neck part and the end cap on the butt. That's that. And then, like I said, here's the underbelly that takes up that area. And then there's the under part of the head, the like teeth or whatever those are supposed to be. Which comes out cool doing them dark. Where is the head on this thing? There it is. It's part of this upside down. Yeah, that's really cool. Oh, okay, that's flashing. We got a really bad flashing right there in the corner of this eye here. That's actually really bad. I mean, it's going to be easy to clean up, but that's just unusual. Yeah. That whole rim that makes like almost like an eyebrow flashed really bad. Yeah, that's a good area of flashing right there. And here. So it's all that side of the mold. But easy to clean. Yeah, we can get a light back there to get that eye glowing good. Do we do a little flickering one? Give us some animation? Nah, we got engines that are flickering, which will look really good because they're nice and big compared to the other. And then these are the, like I said, the pieces that I painted copper here on this. What a difference in scale. It's almost as big as the ship. So those are going to look cool. I probably got it going in because they do have a, I believe they do have like a way. Maybe not. They might be the same. I thought maybe they had like one of these walls was shorter than the other. But no, they're pretty much dead on. So they'll fit in there. Oh, that's going to be nice. Now doing this unboxing so long ago since I got the kit makes me want to build it all of a sudden. It's simple lighting. I don't have any purple flickerings, but I'll just use one of these. I got a whole bag of these here. I can take that one I painted red and never used and just stick it and paint it black in the ship and use that as a control. And these I'll just make the engines flicker together, you know, instead of having them. I'll just have these flicker together. So it's just 2 LEDs for that and one small one up in here. No decals. I was like, where's the decals? No decals. We'll just hand paint that symbol. And do they even color that? Yeah, they show it green on there, and it's green on the TOS, I believe. Okay. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But a nice kit. If you can find one and at a good price, it's definitely worth a look. I love this ship because it almost looks like a weapon. Like you could take this and, you know, once you cut all the sprue out, it's almost like a weapon. So it's got a really angry look to it, you know. I was watching a thing on Adam Savage's test as the one guy, I can't think of the actor's name or even what character he plays, but he's hilarious, and he's on a thing where him and Adam work on some model kits, and, you know, Adam decided to get some Battlestar Galactica since he plays on that show. And I think they got a Cylon Raider and, you know, the Centurion. And he also brought some of the figures. And he brought a, I forget what they call it, but where they're not painted. A total blank. He brought one that was, you know, normal package for the store, and then he brought a blank one from the factory. And Adam got to paint that up. But yeah, he was talking about when he saw one of these for the first time on the set, the full size. And he goes, and it was dark, you know, and all of a sudden I walked around a corner and you see this thing like this. He goes, it was really cool. You know, with the big Cylon Centurion head. Well, but I'm rambling as usual, so there you go. Very cool kit. So I definitely suggest you get one if you can find one. But till next time, and until we do a build series on this, Thanks for watching.